Caveman see you. You do not know Caveman is watching, but Caveman is always watching. You sit in your soft, warm box. You call it a house. You close the heavy door to keep the wild out, but you bring the wild destruction inside in a small glass. You sit on a soft cushion. You hold the glass in your smooth, weak hand. You pour brown water in the glass. You put cold square ice in the glass. It makes a tiny noise. Clink, clink. You smile like a fool. You think you are a king resting after a great hunt. But you did not hunt. You stared at a bright light box all day. You typed with soft fingers. Now you drink this fermented water. You call it your reward. You call it a drink to relax. Caveman calls it the liquid of the prey. Caveman looks at your face. Your face is puffy. Your eyes are small and red. Your jaw is hidden under a thick layer of dough. Your belly sits on your lap like a dead animal you did not kill. It jiggles when you breathe. You drink this poison water every day. You think nobody knows. You think the dark cloth hides the soft belly. But the tribe sees. The women see. The other men see. The real men see. They know you are slow. They know if the tiger comes, you are the one who gets eaten first. You are the sacrifice. You know this too. You look in the shiny glass on the wall. You see the soft, round man. You look away fast. You take another drink to forget the soft man. But the soft man does not go away. He just gets softer. Then you go to the modern shaman, the weak man in the white cloth who speaks big words. He tells you lies. You love the lies because lies are easy to chew. He says you are just getting older. He says every man gets soft when he has seen many winters. He says take this small white stone. He says drink this fast energy potion. He says you just have a slow fire inside, it is not your fault. He says pay him green paper and he will make the dead animal on your lap go away. He tells you to walk on a spinning wheel in a room full of other soft people. You believe him. You want to believe him. You buy the magic dust. You buy the spinning wheel time. You drink the poison at night and you eat the magic dust in the morning. You think you can trick the flesh. You think the body is stupid. You think you can buy the hard bone and the tight skin. Caveman laughs at you. Caveman laughs at the shaman in the white cloth. Hard body is not for sale in the market. Flat belly does not come from a plastic bottle. You cannot bribe the earth. You cannot fool the blood. The blood knows exactly what you swallow. The flesh remembers every drop of the brown water, the yellow water, the sweet bubbling water. The flesh keeps it. It turns it into heavy bags of shame and hangs them on your waist. You carry your bad choices around for everyone to see. You are a walking story of weakness. Strength is not bought. Strength is earned. Tight skin is earned in the wind and the cold. Hard muscle is carved by lifting real stones, fighting real beasts, pulling the heavy kill across the dirt. It is survival. Modern man is a pet dog, a pet bird. You live in a cage. You eat what is put in front of you. You drink sweet water from a bowl. A pet has no purpose. A pet just gets round and waits to die in a soft bed. Primitive man is a hunter. The hunter drinks from the cold mountain river. The river has no sugar. The river has no poison bubbles. The river is just ice and crushed stone. The hunter drinks and stays light. The hunter must move silently through the tall grass. A soft belly rubs on the brush. A soft belly makes noise. The beast hears the soft belly coming. The beast runs away. The soft hunter starves. You do not starve because you have a magic cold box full of food in your house. But your spirit starves. Your spirit is dying in the fat. You must make a choice. You must cross the fire. You must leave the pet cage. You must separate your mind from the weak humans around you. You must become the thing that hunts, not the thing that waits, not the thing that drinks poison to feel happy. The choice is heavy. You hold the glass right now. You must drop it. Or you drink it and accept you are prey forever. You drink the fermented water. the brown liquid. You say it makes you feel good. You say it wets your throat. This is a lie. It is the dry demon. You invite the dry demon inside. It tricks your mouth with coldness. But when it goes into your dark stomach, it begins to steal. It steals your real water. It drinks you from the inside out. Your blood is supposed to be thin and fast, like the river in spring. But the dry demon makes your blood thick. Your blood turns into mud. Mud does not flow. Mud gets stuck. Your heart has to beat hard, push hard, just to move the mud through your body. This makes you tired. You always say you are tired. You say you need to sleep more. No, you need real water. The dry demon makes your skin look like old fruit left in the sun. It pulls the water from your face. It makes your eyes sink deep into your skull. You look sick, because you are sick. You are a piece of dried meat walking around the village. Caveman drinks rain. Caveman drinks snowmelt from the high rocks. Caveman blood runs fast like a lightning strike. When the blood is fast, the mind is sharp. Caveman sees everything, hears everything. When blood is mud, the mind is thick fog. You wake up in fog. You walk to your work in fog. You talk to your woman in fog. Because you feed the dry demon every night. Stop feeding the demon. The poison water you drink is full of invisible heavy rocks. Modern weak man calls it sugar or alcohol. Caveman calls it the fat trap. You swallow it, and it goes straight to your liver. The liver is the main fire of the body. It is supposed to burn the meat you eat to make heat and power for the hunt. But the poison water puts out the liver fire. The poison water turns immediately into yellow grease. Toxic sludge. The liver panics. The liver wraps the yellow grease around itself to survive. Then the liver pushes the extra grease out. It pushes the grease to your belly. It pushes the grease to your chest. You grow soft breasts like a nursing mother. You grow a heavy waist like a pregnant beast. This is the fat trap. You become like a slow cow grazing in the field, waiting for the slaughter. You try to go to the metal lifting room. You try to pick up the heavy iron. But your body says no. Your body is too busy holding the yellow grease. The body says, why build strong hunter muscle? We are carrying too much dead weight. The body stops making the male power juice, the testosterone. It drops to the floor. You lose your fire. You become gentle. You become soft in the mind. You do not want to fight. You do not want to conquer. You just want to sit on the soft cushion and drink more poison. You are neutered by your own glass. The fat trap caught you by the throat. You drink the poison water when the sun goes down. You tell yourself it helps you sleep. You close your eyes. Yes, you fall down into the dark. But you do not go to the deep healing cave. You stay at the very mouth of the cave. You are knocked out, not sleeping. The sleep thief takes you. You think the dark is just for resting. But the dark is the forge where the weapon is remade. When you sleep real sleep, the brain washes itself. The muscles fix the tiny tears from the day's hunt. The male power juice fills up again, but the sleep thief blocks the healing. The poison water keeps your heart beating fast all night. Your body is fighting the poison while you are unconscious. You wake up when the sun comes, and you feel like you were beaten with heavy wooden sticks. You yawn. You rub your red eyes. You groan like a dying animal. You immediately reach for the hot black bean water to wake up. You need another drug just to open your eyes. Because the sleep thief stole your whole night. Caveman goes to the deep cave. Caveman brain goes completely dark. Body rebuilds muscle. Body cleans blood. Caveman wakes up, sees the sun, jumps up ready to kill and eat. You wake up, see the sun, and you hide under the cloth. You hate the light. You are broken every single morning. And you do it to yourself. You must see the circle now. Open your eyes and look at the trap. It is a wheel of pain. Every action touches the next action. You cannot break one rule without breaking them all. You drink the poison. The poison steals your real water. The dry demon makes your blood thick mud. The thick blood makes your mind into a dark fog. You drink the sweet bubbling poison. The fat trap puts yellow grease on your belly and chest. The yellow grease steals your male power juice. With no male power, you feel sad and weak. You feel sad, so you drink more fermented poison to fall asleep. The sleep thief takes your healing night. You wake up weak, sad, dry, and soft. You hate the mirror. So what do? You wait for the sun to go down so you can drink more poison to forget the mirror. It is one circle, one heavy stone rolling over your chest every single day. The dry affects the fat affects the power affects the sleep affects the mind reaches for the glass again. You are trapped in your own loop. The system of the body is simple, but the system is brutal. It does not forgive your weakness. It punishes you for every drop of poison. Caveman walks to the cold river. The sun is high. The water is perfectly still. Caveman looks down into the water. Caveman sees his reflection. The face in the water is made of hard bone and tight skin. The eyes are clear like the winter sky. The skin is pulled tight over thick, heavy muscle. There is no yellow grease. There is no puffy face of the defeated man. Caveman does not smile at the water. Caveman does not jump and celebrate. Caveman just nods. This is how a man must be. The body is the weapon for survival. You do not put mud inside a weapon. You do not wipe poison on the blade. You clean the weapon. You sharpen the blade. You treat the weapon with respect so it kills when it needs to kill. Caveman scoops the cold river water with strong hands. Caveman drinks. It is pure. It is life. It is nothing else. Now you breathe in the stale air of your soft box. You go look in your shiny mirror. Look at the soft man looking back. Look at the heavy bags of grease. Look at the dry, sick skin. Look at the red eyes. Do not cry. Crying is for the weak. Crying is for the pet in the cage. Look at the truth. Know what you did to yourself. Nobody forced the glass into your mouth. You did it. Now you must stop it. Put the glass down. Pour the poison into the dirt. Walk away from the cage. Become the hunter again.